Welcome to Souflotv again, everybody. It's your host with the most. This video right here today is basically a vlog video telling you where I'm at. As you can see, I give you a little tour of the place that I'm staying in, where I'm at with all this and all this. And big up Brains on the Beat because, as y'all know, that's my real counterpart on Souflotv. Not only that, but a business partner as well. So you're not going to see me and Brains at work. But right now, I am way on the border. So the video title might say Souflotv upon the borderline, but another borderline that I talk here. I'm telling you, let me clear that up right now. Give you a tour real quick. So check it out. You see over here, so over here, so now you have the door. This is that front door when you come in, right? Not no fancy place, you know. This is that front door when you come in. As soon as you come in, this is where I've been sitting. So people see the couch and them and say, Souflo, we love the couch. I hear somebody sit down, right? That's all. And do the video them. See my flag? Right. I keep the flag with me everywhere I go, and there's a reason why I do that. Because I don't ever want to forget which part I come from. And that's not what I'm saying to you. So I'm going to keep my Jamaican flag with me. That's why I also tattoo it on my hand. Because over the years that I've been in foreign, I mean, I talk about just the USA in foreign. I meet a lot of Jamaicans that truly have forgotten where they came from. You know what I'm saying? I don't ever want to become one of them people that so I keep that right there, so to constantly remind me of where I'm coming from and where I am going back to. My vision and my mind. Them kind of thing there. Is a work light up on the bed, right there, so. See that? And like that light up the space. Sometimes it give too much shadow. So I have to angle it right when I do the video them and them thing there. Could I go and bust a little porno movie in there, but the woman not there. So back to the you know what I say. Anyway, traveling on the road, man, is never good for me, but the only thing that's good about it is the money. You know what I say? Daddy, I have to go get the money. Real discipline it take to do this. To be locked up in this room right here for 3 months straight. I'm not gonna act like I don't have everything I need, because I really do. I have the basics. You know what I'm saying? I have, see the couch over there, so the couch comfortable and stylish like furniture from in the 60s. And them kind of something that way before me did born that. And me have the big old bed, but the bed to myself. What good is a big bed with no woman in it? You know? So see that? I can work enough hours a day, come home, because it's a contract job. This is how I do all my studying. Right here is my desk. You can see all my books right here. For you know the kind of things that my Souflotv is into. Give you a quick little preview, see that? Eating out here now, consuming, eating out here now is not optimal for me. Me as a person who like me salt mackerel and me yellow yam and green banana and them something there. Right now I have to second for pizza and wings. So today, see that? Today I got Pizza Hut. I get a bunch of wings. Couldn't get off all of them. And some pizza. During the whole week though, what I do is, because I'm trying to get my body right also, because right when me leave here, so it's like the next day is Memorial Day weekend in Miami. That I've been promoting. Best of the best concert I come up on, everything like that. So that's why I've been turning up with the tattoos. You know what I'm saying? And in there there'll be a push-up system. That's the mechanism I'm working with right there. These are my push-up bars. And this are for the abs. You know what I'm saying? Because it's going to be like, take off your clothes and run through the Miami street, them convertible car with the top down and them thing there. I like flashes sometime, you know, because life short and you have to live it to the fullest, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, I don't eat pizza and wings every day. My everyday meal is actually vegetables, raw vegetables. See that? A bag of veggies there. Straight raw veggies, organic raw vegetables, more organic raw vegetables in a liquor fridge, raisin oats and multigrain crackers and biscuit and them something there. I have to show off my water because I just find that one here today. See it there? pH 10. Alkaline water, and consume a lot of fiber and all these other things. So this is me on the road. I see them like a bathroom over there, so same way. Bathroom is in there, so have everything in there I need. No, nothing fancy. I don't drink coffee, but I find myself drinking a glass of coffee every morning because I work till so late in the night that and then I don't sleep. So when morning time come, it's like, oh, I gotta start this day over again. A cup of coffee, black, no sugar, no cream. Boom, jump on the road and feel energized, right? And kick off the new day. So, but I also have my Jamaican peppermint up here, so, and them thing there. Them thing that me I eat and drink, people. I'm in like a closet in there, so, with nothing in it but bare work clothes and my Souflotv TV shirt them. And my, what we call a gate belt for occupational therapy. Alright, so this is what I want y'all to support for me, man. I know so the camera is shaky, but go and follow me around at the road me there like I told you. This is what I want y'all to support for me. I started a new business venture, right? And you're gonna see links in the description and links in links in the description and links in the comment section for shopping. What I want my audience to do is, remember, I know I didn't set up no GoFundMe and I'm not begging you for no money. This is me giving you a link to go shop, and you can shop at these links for anything that you could think of. You could find it here, right? Pretty much anything. Unless you think about some weird sex toy and them something that you're not gonna find it on them link here. But you can find it, anything pretty much you shop for online if you're an online shopper, or even in store. Try online. As long as you have a debit card, you could do it. Click my link. You're gonna get a discount, a big discount rather, with that link, and support the thing, right? And that's how I'm asking you to support Souflotv TV. So let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. You're gonna see like Amazon link, Best Buy link. Right now I'm gonna work with Amazon. I'm gonna be working with Best Buy, and I'm gonna be working with what's the other one? Let me tell you real quick. So Amazon, you're gonna have Best Buy, and you're gonna have Walmart, and eBay. Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, and eBay. When you see me put those links in the description, click them. They pretty much sell everything that you want to buy. Okay? Now, here is how it's done. Watch this. So, just now, go straight to the computer and show you. Check it. Just now, I just put up this video. This video up 31 minutes, and in 31 minutes, it's already got what views then? 428 views in 31 minutes, right? Alright. So in here, I have put a link. See the link there? Posted by me, Souflotv TV. All you have to do is click on that link. So I'm going to click the link, so. And once you click the link, it's going to take you to here. See? That's an Amazon link. Now what you're going to do is, you're going to click on that. And boom, look where it drop you. Right in the store. So if y'all think about clothes, shoes, pants, electronics, you're thinking about movies, you're thinking about DVDs, CDs, music, anything you think of on here, gadgets, phones, whatever. Okay? It's gonna be you can shop off of Souflotv TV link. Anything you can on here, you can shop off of Souflotv TV link. And use my link and get a big discount, right? See that? That video just got put up and it's doing numbers already. This is what I want my audience to help me with, alright? When y'all see my links, click my link, go over there, purchase what you need to purchase. Get your shopping list ready. You don't even have to purchase something right away. Maybe there's something on your mind you're thinking, my daughter's birthday will come up, or my mom's birthday, or it's Mother's Day, or Father's Day, or my boyfriend, or my girlfriend, or something is coming up, or I just want to buy myself something nice. I want to buy myself a pair of shoes. I'm into Jordans. I'm into whatever. Nike, this. So anything you could think of, you're going to be able to find it at these links that I'm going to be dropping in the videos that I'm doing from now on. And I also want you to go ahead and support Brains in the Beat channel, man. Anytime you see me drop a link in my channel for our channel, because sometimes we do videos of the same topic, but from two different angles. We don't watch each other videos because we want to give you something raw and different from both of us, right? So go and click those links, go over to her channel, and also subscribe to her channel and become a notified subscriber. That means when she uploads videos to her channel, you will be notified first. So after you hit the subscribe button, both on her channel and mine, when you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and it will make you a notified subscriber. This is where I'm gonna be at. I miss my kids, them, John. But when I get back to Florida, it's gonna be beach time, and the kind of work that I do, people, is, for those of you who don't know, I travel as a therapist. So I know some people come style me on Facebook and on YouTube and I talk about oh idiot boy and go get off social media and go look at a real job and a 9 to 5. I don't have a job, I've told you before. My core audience know this, and I don't like to brag, and I don't know nothing to brag about, but I do like to advocate for my field. So in the meantime, you can also go look up what occupational therapy is and how it's done and all these other things, alright, who can benefit from it and whatnot. So you got a good idea of what Souflotv actually does for a living. I love my YouTube thing though, because that's where I get to really be myself outside of the book, you know. Alright, so yeah man, click the link them in the video them, shop at my links that I give you, whether it's for Walmart or Amazon or eBay or Best Buy. Click the link when it's for Brains and the Beat. Whether you click the link or not, go support Brains and the Beat channel for me and make she get into the thing to just like Souflotv thing, raise up her subscribers, and thank everybody for tuning in. Thank you for supporting the movement. I love you guys. Yo, the YouTube thing I blow up for it, and we're happy as me don't know what. Me not gonna say pig in that shit, but me not gonna say that. 3 months in a people. This take real discipline. 3 months and 1 week with no pum pum. And me I tell you, 3 months and 1 week with no pum pum, no nothing. But when I get back, trust me, I'm making up for everything that I'm missing. Beach time, pum pum time, every friggin' thing on me I miss. And oh yeah, my children, man. It's Souflotv, man. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. So the flag behind me there, ever representing, right? And we represent to the fullest with intelligence, with integrity, and with manners and respect. I'm out. Peace.